Hi, this is Karthik here. So I just visited first time in Skoda when I had a passion towards the brand. So I started my first purchase 4 years back, and I had a very good experience with Skoda. So be it service or sales, both the team is working excellent in their own way. So when I purchased my car, I had a very good experience when it started in the way how it went, and it's almost been 3.5 years now, and the experience what I've been like with Skoda for all these years are being excellent. And the service part, they are very friendly, and seriously to say, I had a very good rapport with each and everyone with the service and the consultant people. And even whenever I go for the test drives or say, I mean, service or whatever it may be, so I had a very smooth and very conversational rapport with the people over here. And I would recommend Skoda. Why? Because of its comfortability and most probably of its sheer power, I would say. So because I have driven all the cars, most probably like most of the premium cars, I would say. But with Skoda, I feel something so different that I feel the power and the pull. What's been I'm experiencing is very good about it. So whenever I'm going to upgrade my car, I would for sure be upgrading it with the Skoda itself. So I would recommend Skoda for people to purchase for sure. So that's all about Skoda. But mainly, I would say Skoda is probably a very good brand in the means of its service as well as its brand, whatever they give in their output. So it's very well. I'm having a very good experience with Skoda right from the beginning, and I'm sure that I'll be having in the near future as well. Thanks.